Hi everyone, I hope you all are fit and fine and preparing finally for your exams which are very close now. I will try to give you certain tips to fare well in the exams because all are studying very hard, very sincerely. Now it matters on how you deliver. So the tips can be that never be worried, never have any tension when you are going for the exams, because always think, always have confidence that you are prepared well. And if worries are there, you will become nervous, and if nervousness is there, you will not be able to answer the questions properly. So first and the foremost is that you should be worry free, tension free when you are going for the exams. Always remember that I have worked hard, I have sincerely prepared, so I am going to do very well. So with this positivity, you have to enter the examination hall, and when you get the question papers, you go through them very thoroughly, if needed, even twice, and understand that what is being asked exactly, and answer accordingly. So reading and understanding the questions is very important. And then time management is also very important. Sometimes you are knowing certain important topics, but because of the shortage of time, you are not able to answer them. You are losing marks there. So time management you have to remember. You have to allow time for every question. And I will suggest that you start doing the long answers first so that you can be free with them and get enough time for the rest of the questions and complete the answers. So, the long answers or the case studies, you have to organize your thoughts and then write them in the proper sequence. Figure reading will also be there, so you have to identify the figure and you have to answer the related questions. So you have to also read the leveling that has been done, maybe in the form of numbers. So these things you should try first, and then the other small questions you can have enough time for that. Now the concept learning is very important. You have been doing that. So if you are thorough with the concept, you can answer any objective type or MCQ from any chapter. And then if you are thorough with the concepts, if you are understanding the concepts, now what is needed is answering the questions, practicing how you will answer the questions. Your time management also becomes easy here when you are practicing before the exams, when you are practicing the questions, maybe from the sample papers, from the books, from the other tests that you have given. These are all important questions, and you come to know what are the important questions. The sample paper working is very important because they also boost your confidence, because you are knowing that these are the patterns which are coming. In the earlier years, these are the patterns which have come, patterns of questions which have been there. So if you are answering them, you are becoming confident also. And then these sample papers also tell you where are the strengths of where are the strengths and where are the weaknesses. So if you come to know about your weaknesses, you can work on them and improve yourself. And then marking scheme also you come to know by doing the sample papers. So before the exams, doing the sample papers are very, very important. This you have to remember, students. So marking scheme also is important, that you have to be very thorough. And I also suggested you about the time management, which is very important, because many a time, what happens is you are knowing the answer, but you are not able to do the answers of some questions. So you are losing marks there unnecessarily. So this time management also you have to practice whenever you are doing the work, the practice session in your home at this particular time, because you are knowing the topic, but when you are answering them, sometimes you are writing which are not required, sometimes you are missing something. So this practice will be there to answer them properly, and also within the limited time, within the allotted time. So this will help you certainly. So do as much as possible the sample papers, the questions that you have come across earlier from your books, from other tests, and as recommended by all the teachers in the school and in the other institutions also, if you are taking some extra classes. But practicing is very important. Practicing the questions and sample papers are very helpful in this matter. So with that, I will end this topic here, and I am wishing the very best for all of you, and I am sure that you will fare very well and will score good marks in your exams. So with that, I will close this topic here. Thank you so much.